Welcome back to the Good Vibes Garage. It's part 2 of the critically acclaimed series Woods to Grass. In this episode we rented a mid-tine tiller from Home Depot for $50, and we've got 4 hours to till up all of the area that we cleared last fall. So we're going to be tilling up this horseshoe shaped area. We've got a few stray patches of grass. We're going to leave that, and the goal will be to eventually in part 3 cover this whole area with grass. Since the fall, I've removed most of the stumps and stray rocks that I didn't get during the initial clearing of the area. It's a balmy 38 degrees out. The Home Depot guy did not have faith, but we'll see if we can get this cold, wet ground to break up for us. Alright, we got the ground tilled up. This is probably the most likely area grass is going to grow. We've got some nice dirt here. This area over here has quite a bit of clay. Next step, I'll show you guys the trick to clean up a tiller. It's a great job to use a rental piece of equipment. To clean the tiller, we're going to take our power washer and wash it off. We can use some low degree on the adjustable nozzle to take away all the roots that are stuck on the tines, and we'll get this thing cleaned up so we aren't charged a cleaning fee. Got the old ET cleaned up good as new. The 0 degree adjustable spray does wonders to break up all the roots that were on here. Man, this was a mess. We got it done. Alright, back to Home Depot, little buddy. We made our 4-hour timeline with plenty of time to spare. It's only been about 2 hours.